I believe that what will be necessary is far greater coordination of a wide range of actors that are willing to say and accept, these are my comparative advantages, these are my value added, and based upon these, this is how we together can respond to a humanitarian crisis. And then I would say, but part of your comparative advantage or your value added is in prevention. Can we assume that you will help us down that road? Part of someone else's comparative advantage and value added may be in preparedness. Can we assume that you'll be willing together to apply these to preparedness? And a third is response, that ultimately we have, for example, the surge capacity to respond to the kind of crises that we might have to face in the future. Can we assume that your comparative advantage, your value added, will be available when that time comes? That is my dream of the new humanitarianism.